it going, guys? It's 9:37 a.m. Mountain Time out here in Arizona on March 26th, 2010. Just seeing price come down to the lows of yesterday, which also acted as some support a couple days prior. Um, it was coming down with some pretty good momentum. It's starting to slow down a little bit now. Volume's starting to dry up just a little bit. So I'm going to see if we can catch just a bounce off this for a few points. I'm thinking probably about 3 points, something like that, to about where this gap starts right here, as that would be another area for price to reverse off of. So let's see if I can get filled. I had an order in here at 47.25 to go long. Came down to like 47.50, 47. I'm gonna pause it, see if I can get filled. I'm not really liking how it bounced already here though, so I'll pause it. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back just a few minutes later here. I'm kind of feeling like I might have missed the bounce off of this, and it definitely wasn't as strong as I thought it was going to be. It's not very likely that this thing's going to come back down and bounce off that same area for another 3 points again. So it could happen, but kind of a risky play in my opinion. I like to play the first bounce, get in before everybody else is, and let them drive price up for you. So I'm probably gonna see if I can just get a better price on this and wait for this to come down. See around this 46 area down here. Played some pretty nice support, so if I can just snag a quick couple points off of that, on the first touch of that, be a nice little play. So I'll pause it. Hopefully we'll make it back down there and get a nice little bounce. Hey guys, a few minutes later here. Price is coming down pretty fast. I'm just not feeling comfortable taking a trade to the long side right now when this market just seems like it wants to tank. So I'm not going to put an order in. I'm actually feeling like I missed a pretty nice little pullback here where I said I was going to go long. I said I was trying to get in at 47.25. It actually did come down to 47.25. I didn't see it, but it did, and I guess I just didn't get filled. And it came up 2.25, 2 and a tick. So I probably would have missed it. My order probably would have been up here a little bit, so I probably would have missed it anyways. But I think this pullback would have been a nice little opportunity to enter short here and take this just skydiving market for a ride. So I was gonna go long here at 46, but like I said, I'm just not feeling comfortable with it. It is bouncing a little bit off of that area, but no reason to fight this downward momentum at all. Just way too risky. This thing could just plummet right now, and it looks like it's going to. You'll see all the support here, so I wouldn't be surprised if we'll get quite a bit of fighting here, but it's just so strong to the downside that I don't want to fight it. So I'm going to pause it, and hopefully what we can see is it break through this 46 area and then get a retrace. Hey guys, I'm back just a couple minutes later here. I'm kind of feeling like this pullback is a nice little opportunity to take this short, so I'm gonna try and see if I can catch this right here. I just got filled, and use this as sort of a pullback opportunity to, because it broke through the bodies of all these candles. it's kind of hard sometimes to know where the exact support is when you have so many wicks like this. The majority of the bodies of the candles are up in this area up here, um, except for yesterday around the close. It's a little bit lower around this 40, 47 area. So I just got short at 47. I think I just got, yeah, there we go. I just got taken out here. So that was just a nice tight stop. Because I think if it did come up that far, I don't think. Oh, here we go. Now I might be getting the move. You know what? Rather than try and chase this, I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for a little bit and try for that. Try for the play I just mentioned a few minutes ago. Let it break down and spend some time away from it and retrace back up to this area, and then try and take that pullback short. Alright, well here's the down move that's taken off without me. That I had my entry at 47 and my stop at I think 48 and a quarter or 48.50, something like that. It just spiked up really fast and took me out, and now it's just, look at this thing just diving down. It sucks, but whatever. I could have jumped back on right away and ridden it down still, but totally not my style of trading to get stopped out and re-enter that same trade, because I think more often than not, once I do get stopped out, it's because the trade is just invalid and my setup has failed. So I just that's just my strategy, and that's what I like to stick to. So as you can see in this one right here, wasn't necessarily the right choice, but overall I think it is the right choice for me. So anyways, like I said, hopefully we can push down nicely here, which we are, and then just get a nice little pullback like we've been seeing back up to this 46 area, and I really think that would be a excellent area to go short again, as this market is definitely turning over these today and this and yesterday as well. So hopefully we can see that setup and take advantage of it. So I'll pause it and be back in a minute. Hey guys, it's now 10:01. Just got filled here at 45.50 after this little pullback up to this previous support, and it's also where price ran down and bounced off right here. So hopefully this is an area we can get a response from and get it to run down for a few points here, make up that loss and then some. Alright guys, we're back here. I just took my eyes off this thing for a second, and I guess it just dropped down to my target, which I had set at 3 points. So made my lost $90 back and made an extra $90, so that was a nice little $180 trade. This thing's probably still going to keep falling, but I'm happy with getting a few points out of that for right now. So if I can keep catching pullbacks like that, this thing could this could be a pretty nice day. But I don't think I mean, we've already had a pretty nice down move for the day, and this thing, it's got to run out of steam at some point, I think. So I'll keep trying to catch them though if I get good entries, and I'll come back with you guys and record some more.